Disabling two-factor authentication on Swiggy can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your smartphone or visit the Swiggy website on your computer. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Log into your account if prompted, then navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu section. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the account settings, look for the Security or Privacy Settings option. Click on it to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox to disable it. Click on it and confirm your choice if prompted. Step 5. Verify changes. After disabling, you may receive a confirmation message. Log out and log back in to ensure that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your Swiggy account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.